We're here at Gateway Center, located in Newark, New Jersey, where CSAV Systems installed a state-of-the-art 25-foot wide by 14-foot high indoor video wall. This project gives Rugby Realty the ability to share unique advertising opportunities as passerbyers can easily become engaged and informed to whatever content is being displayed. We also installed 2 speakers on either side of the video wall. This system supports wireless microphones and input plates that allows for an easy plug-and-play system. Serving with solutions, our team at CSAV Systems is here for you to provide the right technology solutions, professionalism, commitment, and continued support. How can we take your business to the next level with quality audiovisual solutions? Give us a call or visit us online at csavsystems.com. Thanks for joining us on this technology adventure.